All right, here we go. Let's see. It's really windy outside right now. It's Florida, so it's windy. It is what it is. All right, so once again, we're gonna go ahead and put the air wedge between the door frame of the car, and you got to get that rubber. There's like a rubber gasket in there, so that's gonna be probably tough to get through, but that's all right. We'll get through it. Try to get this little gap right here. I might need 2 bags. That's all right. So I got the second bag here. I'm gonna do the same thing up here on the top. I'm gonna go ahead and put airbag in there and create more of a gap for us so we can get the long reach tool in there a little bit better. Yeah, so again, we're gonna put your long reach tool in here. She has dark tints now. The car's tinted, so as you can see. But all you gotta do is just grab the door handle once again. Oh yeah, that's all there is to it. You left your bag here as well. Yeah. So that's how you do it, chat. Just like that.